Hi, in this demonstration video, I will show you how to format the text inside the text field. Let me add a field to the document, and as I add, I could see the details related to the field will be displayed to your right pane. And there are four options available here: formatting, location, label, and assign field owner. As you click on the formatting option, you would be able to see multiple options related to formatting a text. This is the font options. You will be able to select different fonts for the particular field. And as I change here, you will also be able to see the font type, how it looks, and the other is the size of the font, and bold, italics, and underline palette available. So you may choose the color of your choice based on the document requirement, and it will get real-time updated here in the field. And these are all new introduction, which is the alignments of the text. This is by default, it will be left alignment and middle alignment. If I want to move it to center, I can click this icon, or right or middle, top, and bottom. To have a better view, if I want to increase the size of the field, you will be able to see the difference. This is the top and the middle and the bottom. Now let's see how does it look for the signer. Based on the formatting what we did, we have the changes. It is bold, underline, and italics available. It is left aligned and at the middle. So this is how it looks. Maybe we can change the text. So now let's see how the document appears after completing. I hope you found this video useful. Let's meet in the next video demonstration.